Picture time. Uh, trying to come up with something new. I kind of like it. Picture time. So, here we go. We are on a Husky 80 XC or something like that. We got some new worries for his grips. But Hagen Garcia, little ripper and fool down here at Aztec. He is on a massive push here lately to become our little next pro star, I think, out of Mancos, Colorado here. So we are doing a top end on this bike. We're gonna go drop that down, replace the top end, bring it back up. We only got the piston in today. Hopefully the gasket kit will be here tomorrow in that set of deliveries. So I don't know why they separated the order. Probably coming out of two different places. But yeah, we're gonna get this rolling, set up. Dog barking at me. Can hear me. And we're gonna go from there. That is not in the right spot. I hate this stuff. Like, people when you get this stuff right, like that should be in those little grippers right there. But I'm gonna end up taking all that right back apart. Overflow into the head. That's a air vent for the frame. Okay. I'm gonna get this kid running desert sirens on his bike because I am now taking care of it. What up, y'all? We are back. We just got the other package from FedEx with a whole bunch of other stuff in it. Must have came from two different places. But we're gonna get Hagen's bike put back together and clean out the casing where Scotch-Brite where the gasket was, and then he said around the linkage for the power valve was leaking some oil, so we may put just a little bit of silicone in there and help that seal up. I don't think it was in there right from what I was looking at, so we're gonna mess with it a little bit and we'll go from there, see if I just have to do a little bit of silicone or if it was not in there properly. But we're gonna get this going, clean that up, and just be right back. What up, y'all? We got Hagen's bike all back together here. Hopefully this kid is ready to rock. This bike is rocking. Like, this bike is legit. Turn loose. Oh, it's one of the wickedest 85s I think I've ever put my butt on. Yeah, that's pretty freaking badass. Gotta say it. Like, excuse my French, but this bike's ready to go to Moriarty. It's ready to rock and roll. This kid is, yeah, I'm gonna throw a little sticker on back here for Desert Sirens, and yeah, this I'm enjoying the day. We got a beautiful day, a little bit of overcast, but you know what, yeah, we got a bike done, ready to go. 406 over here. She is looking tight, she's ready to rock and roll. She's ready for Vegas. A few more fine adjustments on the clickers, and I think she'll be ready to take some rock on. But yeah, totally. Husky's ready. Top end. It is ripping. I hope the boy has a great weekend. Smoked it up and down the street a couple of times. Did my skills enduro course over here. The logs, some cement pillars. Bike freaking was hooked. About hookup status right there. Go rip it. Have some fun. You know what? Everybody just needs to get out and ride and don't care. Share the trail. We're all humans. So just get out and have fun. Hit the trails, y'all.